Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's have some fried broccoli dipped in Bisquick mix. Yes, and then we're going to top that off with some cheese. Can you just taste it now? I can. Okay, so let's do it. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is our Bisquick mix we're using. Okay, I bought this for $4 and something at Sam's, and so it was so much until I just bagged it up in bags. I got about 5 of these bags. Okay, so we'll just sit that over there. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use a cup of Bisquick mix. I'm going to put it in our bowl. To the Bisquick mix, let's add some garlic. I'm going to turn my fire on so it can get hot. This is olive oil in this pan here. Okay, so I'm going to use some garlic. Some black pepper. Some sassoon, 1 package. Okay, and I want to add some, okay, let's add a little salt. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to mix that up and I'm going to add milk to this. Now you want to add the milk a little bit at a time because you want it like, you don't want it thick like pancakes. You want it a little runny, but not too runny that it doesn't adhere. Okay, I would say that was about 4 or 5 tablespoons of milk. Let's add another 3. So that's a total of 8 tablespoons of milk. Let me show you this. So you can see it's pretty thick, right? See how it takes time to drop down? That one ain't even dropping down. So we need some more milk to thin this out. It's about another 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm still not satisfied. It's still kind of thick. Let's go with some more milk. Okay, so that's about 12 tablespoons of milk. I think this is what I'm looking for. Let me show you. Okay, you see how that's runny, but not so runny that it's watery. It's got a little thickness to it, not much. Okay, so here's my broccoli. I cut up into flowers. Okay, now we're going to dip the broccoli in, turn it on all sides so that the broccoli is completely covered. Let me show you that. Okay, now we're going to put the broccoli in and frying it. Just like that. And we're going to continue to do that until we have all the broccoli fried. Don't try to overcrowd it. Oh, and it's cooking very fast. I want to turn my fire down. I don't want it a dark color. Okay, let me get something to put that on. That's pretty fast, guys. Oh boy, does that look pretty. Okay, so we're going to continue battering the balance of the broccoli. See? Dropping it in. The sassoon is what made it the orange color. Who'd have known you could take Bisquick mix and use it like this as a batter. So you know what I'm going to try next, right? I'm definitely going to try some chicken next. And it only takes a few minutes, guys, to cook. Okay, it's all in. Look at that, guys. fire back up because my temperature is dropping. Sorry, I moved the camera. I'm just flipping them around, so that's what you see me doing. I cut the fire off. We got one more to take out. Okay, that's what they look like, guys. Now we're gonna put some cheese over there. I think I'm gonna, if the cheese doesn't melt, I'm gonna put it in the microwave on a half a minute for it to melt. We'll see in a minute. Let me tray it up for you. Wow, that feels so crispy and nice. I am proud of these guys. Proud. Wow. Look at that. So when you put it on, put them all the same direction. Okay, now I'm going to put some cheese on here. Just a little. Okay, so I got the cheese on there. Uh-oh, guys, my display dish will not fit in the microwave. So let's see, what am I gonna do? Okay, well, I won't melt the cheese. That's what I'm gonna do. We'll leave it like that. Some of it will melt because of the heat from the, oh, what should we call this? Battered fried broccoli. I like that, yeah. Let's go with battered fried broccoli. Okay, I'll be right back to taste that for you. Okay, guys. Oh, the cheese did melt a little. Look at that. Huh? Okay, so let me taste one. I got one. The broccoli still have some firmness to it, but yet soft. Excuse me. The batter really, really tastes good. That the batter is fried and it's also a little soft, almost like you're biting into a fried donut. It's really good, really good. I'm telling you, I can eat these without a problem. And it's vegetables, why not? Okay. Thanks for hanging around and watching me make the fried broccoli. And I'll name it something that's nice and interesting for you. Okay, give it a thumbs up. I think you'll like it. You can put this on your table as an appetizer or as your vegetable. I think the kids will like it because it doesn't look like regular vegetables. They like battered items. Okay, alright. Check out the links. Love you, love you, love you. Bye-bye.